What up, YouTube? And today we are going to be doing a Subway Surfers gameplay. Let's get on to the gameplay, shall we? And the fat guy's chasing me again. Fudge this fat guy. Bye, fat guy. I'm jumping over, round and round. Nah, I don't want to sing right now. Yeah, I'm making that money. Ooh. Oh, I missed the boots. Damn. I don't know. I'll get it. I need to. This is crazy. I think I'm in charge. I'm in charge. I'm the boss right now. You know, I don't like jumping on top of damn trains. It makes me damn nervous. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. I missed a couple coins, but I'll be fine. Damn. Shit. Guys, we're gonna have to play again because that was horrible. One more time. That was really fucking horrible. Train coming dead at me. Damn. Yeah. Doing good so far. Please put doing good in the comments. I got a magnet now. Ah, damn! I almost had it! Oh, that's really fucking annoying. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing more Let's Plays videos and all that other crap. I almost had it, but I had coins. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, guys. Love you. And I love you very much, baby.